together a video if he keeps that.
Yeah. Your name is?
Greg Scott.
Okay. You're with
Intel.
Okay.
Storage group.
Okay.
Supporting strategic initiatives primarily focused on cloud storage.
All right. Why would I want to use an Atom architecture and hook it up when these applications are typically running on Xeon servers with much wider data transfer capabilities?
Sort of depends on what your application is.
Okay.
So one of the advantages to scale out storage that we're seeing is the ability to optimize the storage the storage platform to the application. So if you're doing something like Hadoop, where you're doing a search or an analytics implementation, you probably don't want to use Atom because you're actually going to put some of the mapping functions onto the data node because you want to get that as close to the data as you can, and it's going to scale with the data. So in that case, Xeons make a lot of sense in that you want the horsepower to be able to search through the data and sift through the data. If you're doing basically a large content depot, for example, or maybe an archive or backup capacity pool, where you're not going to be doing much in the way of data processing, and it's going to largely be used for storing data that's written once and read very infrequently, you know, Atom or some of the lower power processors may make more sense.
Okay. So we have actually have a data retention policy at our company where we don't keep records over a certain amount of time. Is there anything that Intel does to help with that, as far as timeout of data, archiving, that type of thing?
We don't provide the management software to do that. We provide some of the underlying capabilities in terms of technology that will allow you to search through the data. Obviously, use our processors, use our other ingredients, such as the SAS or SATA connections.
Okay. So you guys, or does Intel still have the solid-state drive technology that
Yes.
they're okay? And how's that being implemented in data centers?
So we're seeing that coming in as a sort of caching tier.
Okay.
It's being implemented in application servers to help speed up applications to perform as a function. In some cases, helps to move some information out of DRAM into a lower power, larger capacity area. We see it also being used in the storage side to help cache on the storage front to speed up accesses. We've got a demo over here where we're using an SSD to help speed up NFS.
Okay. And you said it's lower power also?
Yeah, SSDs are lower power than rotating disk and are lower power per gigabyte than DRAM as well.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Yep.